Hey there, I'm going to show you how to build an AI customer support agent that handles 80% of your incoming questions automatically using n8n and ChatGPT. If you're a small business owner, you're probably spending 10 hours or more every week answering the same questions. Where's my order? How do I reset my password? And that's time you could be using to grow your business. What's your refund policy? And that's time you could be using to grow your business. Here's what we're building: a fully automated support workflow. When a customer sends an email or fills out a contact form, the AI reads their message, checks your knowledge base for the answer, and replies automatically. If the question is too sensitive or complex, it escalates to you. Let me walk you through the 5 steps. First, set up your n8n workflow. Log into your n8n dashboard and create a new workflow called AI Customer Support Agent. Add a webhook trigger set to post. You'll connect this to your contact form or email later. Then drag in an OpenAI chat node. Use GPT-4o Mini. It's fast, smart, and costs less than a cent per conversation. Set the system prompt to, "You are a customer support agent. Answer questions based on the knowledge base." If you cannot answer, respond with escalate. Second, build your knowledge base. Create a Google Sheet with 3 columns: question, answer, and category. Fill it with your most common FAQs, shipping times, return policies, pricing. Then add a code node that searches this sheet before the AI responds. This feeds the AI context so it gives accurate answers. Third, wire up email triggers. Add an email IMAP node at the start to watch for new support emails every 5 minutes. At the end, add an email SMTP node to send the AI's reply back to the customer. Add an IF node between them. If the AI says escalate, forward the conversation to you instead. If the AI says escalate, don't auto-reply. Forward the conversation to you instead. Fourth, add Slack escalation. When a question gets escalated, the IF node sends a Slack message to your team channel with the customer's question. With the customer's question, the AI's attempted response, and a link to the full conversation. On the auto-reply branch, log every interaction to your Google Sheet. This data helps you improve the knowledge base over time. Fifth, test and deploy. Send a test email asking about shipping times. It should trigger the workflow, search the knowledge base, and reply within seconds. Search the knowledge base and reply within seconds. Then send a complaint about a refund. This should trigger the escalation path and send you a Slack notification. Once testing passes, click Active to deploy. The results? A typical small business gets 50 to 100 support emails per week. With this AI agent, 80% are handled automatically in under 30 seconds. That's 8 to 12 hours saved per week, over 40 hours a month. At $50 an hour, that's $2,000 a month in saved time. The cost? Your n8n instance runs on a $6 VPS, and OpenAI API costs about $5 to $10 per month. Total, around $16 a month for a 24/7 support team. And the hidden win is customer satisfaction. When a customer gets an instant reply at 2 a.m. on a Sunday, they remember that. They tell their friends. That's growth you can't buy with ads. Download my free guide with 5 production-ready n8n workflows at the link in the description. And if you want the complete AI content starter pack, with over 150 ready-to-use prompts and workflow templates, that's linked below too. Subscribe for new AI automation tutorials every week. Leave a comment. I want to know what customer question you're most tired of answering. I'll build a workflow for the top comment in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.